Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Chris, and I have another vlog for you. Hanging out here with Indy. We might as well just call this Vlogging with the Vegan Zombie. I hope you guys are enjoying these as much as I am. And today I'm going to explore a little bit more of the new property. I know there's a mess over in there. And I'm also going to take you with me to my vegan Dungeons and Dragons group, where every 2 weeks I get together with a group of people and we turn into wizards and warlocks and paladins and we fight ghouls and goblins, and anyway, you'll see. And I'm also going to review a newish vegan product, and there's a few other things in here. So sit tight and enjoy the vlog. January 2nd, looks like it snowed out. It's still a little misting of snow, a little dusting. Let's take Indy out first. Ready to be some paw prints all over the place. There we go. There's little prints. You know, I also told you in the last video, because I edited it yesterday, that I would show you that shed. And I thought I already did, but I guess I gotta go do that. I took them out last night and it was pitch black out here. Even with the flashlight, I could barely see anything. And I thought I heard something over in this direction. So I was like, Andy, get over here. Andy, come on, over here, this way. Let's go. Yeah. Jack's place. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't see this side of the sign. It says, oh, that's sad. You left paw prints on my heart. All right, we're almost there. All right, so with this shed, we also have garbage on this side. Maybe not garbage, but a clutter. I'm not sure what's under here, but I don't want to. Oh, maybe that's, no, I guess not. I don't know what that is. We got a screen door and some lumber, some bricks. And on this side, we got a couple garbage cans. And it looks like some pots. I'm sure Rachel would use those for her plants. Is there anything under here? More lumber and bricks. All right, so this shed, let's open this one up. This one actually has a deadbolt, so it's not gonna swing open. And there's a stick. A window. Oh, I didn't see these before. There's some, are they real? Yeah, there's some horseshoes. We could play horseshoes. And what is this? This is heavy. That's real heavy. Just like a metal tube, something like that. A light fixture and a place to hook electricity and some siding. It looks like some tile too. Oh, here's a light. Oh, battery's not working. But anyway, that's the second shed. So if I need to, I'll come in here and I'll put a bunch of stuff in here. That's it. That's the second. I don't know if this is interesting for you guys. Maybe going to look at the unknown with me might be interesting. But I'm just trying to find some fun things to do. And now we got another happy dog, Ziggy. All right, we got a nice fire going here. It's nice and warm. It was cold when I woke up. Still don't have my air fryer, so of course I'm toasting my bagel right here in the oven. It's done. And I'm gonna use some of the new Tofutti whipped cream cheese. It's actually, if I were to describe it, exactly like the other Tofutti, which is my favorite. It's really good. I can't really taste the difference or notice the difference of being whipped or not, but it is a bigger container for just a little bit more money. So this is a better deal. As you can see, I've kind of devoured it. It's really good. In case you're wondering, when I used to put cream cheese on a bagel, I would put a very thin spread of it on my bagel. And then I lived in New York City and I went to an authentic bagel shop called Bagels on the Square. I ordered a bagel because they had a bunch of vegan cream cheese, different flavors, and they put even more than this on. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But they closed it up, they toasted the bagel, they cut it in half, and they gave it to me. I went out in the park and I ate it. and it was delicious. So from now on, I make bagels with about that much cream cheese when I put it on. I don't do it very lightly like I used to when I was younger. That was a long time ago. That was about 20 years ago. I believe it's still there. Bagels on the Square, I was there probably 5 or 6 years ago, but it's been a while. If you're gonna do the same thing, enjoy, and I'm gonna go eat this. It's Sunday, and every other Sunday, I meet with a group of vegans and we play Dungeons and Dragons, just like I used to do when I was a teenager. So we've been doing that for a few months now. I missed the last one because I missed the last couple. I was sick, and then before that I was in the process of closing on the house, but that got a little delayed. Anyway, I'm going there now, and if it's okay with them, if they don't mind being on camera, I'll do a little bit of video when I get there. So that's where I'm headed right now. And he's gonna watch the fire for me. I put the screen there so protective, nothing pops out of there. All right, we're here, and I got my player's handbook, my brand new dice, and we've got a small group today. We got some popcorn. Do you guys want to introduce yourself by your like character name?
I'm Zenoa.
Zenoa, and what are you?
I am an elf wizard.
Elf wizard, and you're our DM tonight.
I am. I don't know if I have a name. I didn't really.
You did come up
I
with
did
a
come up with a
name.
name, but I don't remember what it was.
For those of you that don't know what a DM, he is the dungeon master,
Right.
which will tell the story. I'm Krampus. I'm a wizard.
Warlock.
Yeah, I'm a warlock, and you are the fighter. Right?
Torian, Dragonborn Paladin.
That's right. You're always like busting doors down and saving our butts. Would you look there? She made chocolate-covered strawberries.
Oh no.
Somebody's
They're being
excited.
displayed.
They look good. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, exactly.
Lex.
So,
Lex.
Hellhound attacks Owain, misses with the bite. Does anybody have that skill?
Well, he's got the skill to kick a
Right.
foot through it.
I can break the door.
Move the door.
Should we put somebody in there to be the bad guy?
Machines.
That's good.
There we go.
That one? That one?
Whatever you want. Yeah.
19 to hit.
All right, yep. We're in trouble.
No, you get it. That's the name of the bone.
And 2 doubles. You have a kill shot, yeah.
Oh, Eldro died?
Jade Dragonborn, do you have fire damage?
Acid.
Acid.
I don't get fire resistance until level 4,
4, which is coming.
which is fun.
Hunter joined us.
I
He is
get
Owain. And you
one
are a
extra
cleric,
at that
right?
point,
Yes.
and
Yes.
that's where I go.
Yeah.
He's our healer.
All right, so you guys are in the room. You have the mage is cut in half, laying on the ground. The room is full of blood and body parts. There's evil symbols all over the walls.
All right, so that was the D&D group. We meet every 2 weeks, most of the time, and we played for about 2.5 hours. So it was fun, and I will see them in 2 more weeks. So now I'm heading home. All right, so Rachel in the kitchen made some raw vegan tacos. She wanted to talk about New Year's resolutions.
To eat more healthy.
You did. You
I don't know how long that'll last.
I went to leave today and there was a ton of bags in the front yard, well, by the garage.
Yeah, I Instacarted a lot.
You Instacart, and I had no idea, and there was like all this produce, all this healthy
Yeah.
food.
Well, I went to work for 2 days, and then when I got there, I realized that they were short on New Year's Eve, so I had to stay 2 more days. So it went from 2 to 4, and it's a small little town in Pennsylvania, and there's nothing vegan at the grocery store. Besides, I found tofu dogs, and for 4 days straight, all I ate was tofu dogs.
Oh my
Holy
gosh.
shit. So I'm like, now I need to start eating better.
So what exactly did you make here? You every time you try to close, you gotta close it a little bit harder. And then when you do that, everything's gonna... So we
I made raw vegan tacos. I made my own walnut meat, and then I made guacamole. Kind of boring, but I don't feel like making
And then you
those.
wrapped it up in the lettuce,
Mhm.
which the dogs just went ravenous over.
Oh, yeah.
There's Indy behind you waiting for another scrap. Actually, he just got a dog bone. He got, how is it?
Good.
That's good. And he just got one of the V-Dog dog bones. Well, so did Zeke, but they love them.
Yeah, Zeke here. And here.
Yep. You see the little ears.
Mm-hmm. I know, I noticed that in your last video. You could see Zeke's ears in the background while you were up here the whole time.
Yeah. You got food hanging off your lip. So how are you liking the new house?
I like that. Taking some getting used to.
Yeah. What's your favorite part of it? I know you were just in the sauna.
Mm-hmm.
Is that your favorite part?
Not my favorite, but I do like it.
You're either in the sauna or the bath.
Mm-hmm. I love taking baths.
You like it
was
warm?
Cold.
Well,
I like the front room. I think that's my favorite.
oh, it's got a lot of
Fireplace and the view.
window.
Mm-hmm. A lot of plants.
A lot of window. Right now, I still have a lot of boxes here, and I'm trying to unpack, and I realized that I had a bunch of canned goods that I'm trying to organize here in the pantry. So I've got enough shelf room because I have another one over here. But I'll probably do more on this in another video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm up to right now. And with that being said, I'm going to close this video out. We have a fire going here that I've had going all day, really. I've got a lot of positive feedback in the comment section, and I'm just gonna keep doing this. It seems to be fun and I guess interesting, I guess. Showing you guys what I'm doing here at the house and trying to make progress here. So, as always, subscribe, survive, thumbs up, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.